Hey Aquarius, welcome back to my place. As usual, speaks messages, Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start with the read. Okay, thank you for love, donations, support. You may do so via PayPal. I highly appreciate it. And GPay is there, UPI ID is there in the description box below. Also, thank you for high shares, comments, everything. Okay, how have you been? Let's begin with the reading. So, what I'm hearing for you, we're going to do this kind of reading, okay, for a while. There's some emotional message that is going to come, and what I actually heard was rainbow, okay? Rainbow, and in front of me, there's word written photography. So there is something that someone is taking pictures of nature, rainbow, or someone is actually going to witness something so beautiful, rainbow kind of. I'm also hearing double rainbows, like two rainbows, okay, crossing one after the other, and that is going to be something miraculous. Some of you might be dealing with, or you dealt with Pisces, or somewhere in your chart may be falling, or in someone's chart it is falling, okay, or they are actual Pisces. It depends, okay, because there's natal chart. If you don't know, unaware about the signs, and if message is going, maybe that is more important to you, because I always say that messages of importance. So, what is coming, Aquarius? With the rainbow, what does it say? There's going to be all beautiful colors in your life. It's kind of like Wheel of Fortune. It's kind of like something maybe connected with seven, okay? Digit seven is going to be important for you. Someone is also looking at your pictures because it's photographs, photography, okay? What else? Okay, what? I'm again hearing the word reliable, and I did one of the readings of Aquarius, wherein I said there's reliable connection. Okay, so maybe it's already there and you are living that. Now you're going to experience this, you're going to live this, you're going to talk with this person more. But I am feeling there's going to be emotional message page, because of course you have bottom energy, page of swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but it is saying that something is coming. Okay, yes, something is coming, emotional message. Someone who is going to either try to have a U-turn towards you, whoever you stop talking possible, or whoever you are not expecting, but it's going to be unexpected, approach. I do feel it's more than like approach, okay? Like someone is going to connect with you here. They've already, or they are going to, okay? Especially after these phases of like, some of you, okay, this is a very big term, and this is should be like also normalized, but also should be discussed, and it should go into healthy zone wherein people should be kind and humble and should help each other. Someone was depressed here, and they're coming out of depression or depressed zone. Is it because of you they're coming out? Okay, because they're connecting with you and they had a very heavy past or some traumas connected, or breakup or separation or divorce, okay, something like that, okay, or cheat, whatever that is, betrayal kind of. But what I feel here is that someone also, you're going to clear out some kind of misunderstandings, or something that is connected with, like, you're going to be like a new communication in their life. It's like, however, this can go vice versa, but this is going to be something connected with new, okay, new energy, new vibe. Okay, look, offer, an offer arrives, especially after disappointments or disappointing phase, or yeah, there's rainbow. And when the rainbow will appear, when rainfall is happening, so this is for purification. So some of you can connect with this energy of like after rainfall, okay. And in this recent time frame, weather is changing suddenly. There are storms or something, rainfalls happening, wind is like there chasing and all that stuff. Okay, who is chasing you, darling? Okay, could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, someone who is, I do feel this offer, this connection, reliable connection, emotional message, that's what I said, this page, this connectivity that is going, that you're going to see and you're going to witness, you're going to feel, and this whatever is going to happen, this is a rainbow. It's a rainbow connection. It's full of um, kindness, it's full of wonders, it's full of happy happy mode kind of. Okay, that's all I can say right now. Yes, new beginning. We're going to shuffle the deck, of course, but zero the fool. New beginning is happening regarding certain person, connection, friendship, move on energy. And this is this is not just move on energy, but this is like mental clarity that you are going to grab regarding someone, whether you want to continue talking to this, and also leaving behind what is not serving any purpose. Yes, there is new beginning, definitely, and there's a lot of mental clarity. You'll know that why am I going for this rainbow, this beautiful connection, rather than waiting for like something. You know what I heard? Citrus, like something like citrusy. Okay, you're leaving that wounded situation, something that is not right, but whatever is going to be reliable for you, it is coming. Something that was at cross, something that made you confused, something that was at, yes, you're coming from recent distant time frame, you are leaving behind with full clarity that, okay, this is never a yes. Okay, I'm not going to say yes to this particular thing. Um, okay, so maybe I picked up on the word depression or depressed zone for the right some facts, okay? Because yeah, something disturbing that you might have gone through. Okay, this could be a time frame of 5 or 10 years, but 5 years for some cases it's gone time. Okay, or for some of you 5 months kind of energy. Okay, not for all, but this is like it took courage for you to walk away from this particular situation. So in order to correct your and to make, take better decisions in the now, we're going to see what is coming. Look, the world, you're closing the chapter definitely, and you're not going to stretch it and try to open it for someone to come again or connect with you, because you know what was wrong here. It was like someone who disturbed you for a while and even drained you financially. Okay, I'm not going to deny there is something that you might have provided to someone. Whether you are male energy listening to me or female, because readings are timeless and for everyone out there. Okay, but you know that what you gave and you know what they gave you. Okay, so it's like practically everything was so accumulated and so disturbing that disclosure was important. Like you closed the chapter. Someone tried to dominate you, control you, and they asked for money as well, and it's like a full energy drain. Okay, financially, emotionally, time, everything, what drain. Okay, so let me see what is coming. Oh yeah, that's nice. I think these are two cards. I think no, it's one card. Okay, that was very important connection for some of you, and whoever is resonating with this, you literally walked out from this connection. You do regret it because you invested so much of your time, emotions, finances, everything. Okay, and who lived this, they know it. So some of you could be females out here walking out, taking care of your self-esteem, and you're walking out and you did it. So in the now, you're sitting where you have whatever you have gone through, and now you're out of that mode. Okay, because because you lived that. Okay, I'm also seeing yellow shoes. Is it like sneakers or something? Because these are not stilettos or nothing like wedges. No, they're not like that. They're like sneakers or something like that. Yes. But yellow in color, literal yellow, YELLOW. Okay, this color, yes, somewhat like this color. Not even orange. I'm not talking about orange. It's yellow. So something was, yeah, maybe you have this, or maybe you gave this to someone. Maybe it's connected with somehow gift exchange or something. Um, Yellow is also giving some warm welcome to you, wherein there's going to be a reflection or projection of a sunlight here, which I see that you've grown good out of that. There is important phase in the now, and you're going to just, yes, you've released it, but also when you are in the now, you're considering this very important phase of your life. So maybe it's about your positions, about your work, and also it is about what marathon you've been like running for a while. It's time to relax and going for a little bit of exchange here. Okay, and you are going to settle here because you have this situation now where you can relax. And this is someone also who is going to message you, this emotional page that is coming. They are going to tell you why you're important, why as a female you are important to them. For some of you, very specific. Okay, why this was not, like, you shouldn't consider this. Okay, so yeah, there is some opportunity, there is some offer coming. Now this could be work related, this could be like, I'm sorry, money coming way. coming your way, but also emotions coming your way. I'm telling you that. King of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, okay? This person is definitely thinking high about you. There is someone in the now who does respect you, and it's always not necessary that you have to go in for love and everything, okay? Not exactly, not, you know, in a haste or something, but what is more important is that someone is giving you that respect that you deserve, and you might not have like been receiving that in few of your connections in the past, okay? What in the future coming for you? Oh, okay. What is in the future coming for you? Okay. This is coming. Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Now here you go. Two things I see right away is that apart from the sign, okay, message. There is going to be a pickup energy in your life, and there is some consistency that I see in your work as well. And you're going to see a little bit of growth, not too much, but you're going to see a little bit of growth, because that is going to, what to say, improve your finances. Improvement in your finances is coming, okay, receiving, okay. But also regarding some connection here that I said, it's going to be consistent, it's going to be full of respect and that energy. There could be age gap a little bit, not too much possible, but there could be age gap. Okay, you're going to see your growth or improvement in your work or academics, even if something that you are, studying higher or going to school again, something that you wanted to do, now you're going to do, okay? Let's see what's speakable in the future. Peekaboo for Aquarius. Okay, what I clearly see is that some emotional clarity is coming regarding your future connection here, because there is someone who's going to sleep. No, there's someone who's going to. I wanted to say slide in your life. I do feel there's someone who's sliding in your life. Okay, a lot of yellow is there, which is very good. Okay, so you may check the yellow color symbolism. The moon Piscean is coming here. For me, this is lot of bark left, okay? This is about loyal communication that is coming ahead. This is also surfacing, like whatever they want to talk, whatever you wish to talk or you want to talk, there's going to be consistency in emotional messages and communication, exchange of things I see in here, okay? Whoever is going to be here, they're going to be maybe they have a cusp of Pisces and Leo somewhere in their chart, but this is also telling me, apart from signs, this is some loyal companion, and also they're saying that they're going to open up bit by bit, okay? If it goes for you, again, if both of you are going to be, again, okay? So like this is a love story of like a moon and a sun kind of, wherein they both meet once in a while. So your story is still pending here, in which I see the continuation, but the consistency that I see in this connection, someone who's going to consider you, and they're actually considering you very important. That is what I see, okay? They're going to be very, very careful about your emotions in the coming time. Exchange of notes going to happen. The talk shall happen. And this is what I see. Okay, let me see the bottom. Yes, someone is overthinking and you are there. Okay, now your energy might be there, but your energy is like, maybe I don't know why this communication, why this messages. But this person is thinking about you. You're there in their mind, and this is what I actually see. Okay, what is that I want? What is that I want? I think I should use my own deck. Okay. Okay. Wake up. It's time for something. That was on top. But I do feel there is something coming. Look, something special in heart. Let's see what is coming. It's a question that why someone is doing things for you. Yes, it's time. This was like this in my fingers, so we're going to take it. Okay, we're going to take it with love. It's time for you to consider something. It's time for you, because there's going to be a rainbow. With this particular card, I do feel like anything that is like full of crap or something, you're going to avoid it, and you're going to go ahead with what your heart is saying, because there is some connection that I see coming in your life. But it's not going to be hasty. It's not going to be fast. The communication is going to be like fine. Like marination is going to be happening in the coming time. It's time. It's time for you to move in a new direction. It's time for you to believe that whatever I'm going to talk about, or things that I see, actually the communication is going to be very very, very, how to say, it's going to be very flexible. It's going to be very full of like race kind of. It's time to you talk, you move, okay? because this person, whoever is, either entering, because I see slow, steady entry, but consistency is going to be there. What I see is like they just feel like 50-50 for you, like they don't know. It's not hot and cold. It's rather warm and hot. Like they're in the mid of like what to say to her or him. Okay, so running is going to be happening, okay, together. It's time that you run for each other. There's someone who's going to run for you, and they're going to run towards you, okay. The speed will be taking place, but it's going to be in the coming time, okay. What is coming for Aquarius? Okay, tell me what is coming. Someone is checking your status. They always do, like they always view your story, and they mostly like it. I think they always like it. Okay. Before your eyes. Some of you, be ready. Someone who is going to be before your eyes, or they are actually there, haven't noticed if you haven't noticed, but they want you to notice them. Or let's just say that, you know, there's a lot of running going around, and you're going to see that there is someone, okay? So take it as it goes. Before your eyes. Why? Because someone's heart is beating for you, or whoever heart is beating for you, they are going to be before your eyes very soon, because this is what emotional, they cannot escape their feelings, okay, they cannot, and you cannot. So just live this moment, and it is time. um like they're saying, basically stop chasing, rather, and if you don't do it very good, so don't ever chase, okay, but you are running, and when you're running, they're going to be suddenly, their heart is breaking, like they know that you are their other half, basically you might be their twin soul, however the connection goes. This is what is, and they know that you fit in very well, okay, so yes, together, go 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 kind of energy. Before your eyes, yeah, you'll know that this is my other half, this is my other half, ooh, ooh. Okay, and you make this hard, okay. What else? Is there something? Okay, there could be even, okay, don't mind. No, we don't mind. There could be two suitors or choices in front of you, wherein you might have dealt with someone, but also, or you have two choices, basically. Both of them are interested in you too much, okay? Personality traits could be one of their sun's personality, other could be the moon personality. It depends. But yes, this is going to be happening in your life. So good luck. Take care. See you soon.